No, this is serious. Yeah, we're gonna give it 5 minutes, y'all, because we hungry. We ain't ate nothing all day. Man, she done went and invaded this man's space over here. All over the damn game. All in his space.
The same reason why people say the first woman.
I am.
It's the same thing.
I ate all my food. Now it's time to go walk it off and walk back to the convention center so we can go and
so the lady was going back and forth with me, and she
go listen to our little listening sessions that we want to hear.
Y'all don't have to keep saying it all the time. Like we
Okay, we're about to learn tips and tricks on acting. All those bags back there.
I'm a retired computer. Nobody has
so we got to see what I'm not doing right because I overpack all the time. I have that bag right there, and I have that bag right there.
Mary Martinez, I have your credit card.
Uh-oh, Mary better come get it. Okay, y'all, I have that bag right there, and I have that bag right there. Because we're about to learn how to pack these jokers. Oh, she has a book.
I started writing about 16 years ago. I was 52 when I bought my first bike. And just so you don't have to do the math, I'm 67. Okay, I see everyone sitting there. And 5 months after I bought my bike, I headed up the East Coast to Canada. I live in Central Florida. It takes you 5 hours just to get out of Florida across the state line. And I knew nothing about riding. I knew nothing about staying dry, staying warm, staying cool, staying comfortable. So that was a epic ride, but it was a miserable ride. And I came home, and each time I go out and come back, I learn a little bit, something a little bit different about packing for motorcycle travel. Pack light, travel fast, and die old. That's the motto.
Hey!
Anytime you're
Alright, y'all, so now we've got our tips and tricks on packing, and now we're about to listen to things about the Hooka Hey. Last day, y'all, and we are headed to the parking garage. Got our bags packed. About to go load these bikes up, rest it up. We up early, hopefully to beat whatever little rain can be in the possible forecast. We hope it stays here in Hot Springs and we get out of here without having any of that rain. So, anyways, we are, I gotcha, let's go. We are leaving Hot Springs, y'all. It's our last day. This has been a great rally. Over 600 women here on bikes, whether they rode it here, trailed it here, they came on their bike. Our oldest rider here was 80 years old. Our youngest rider was 3. The youngest actual female rider to actually ride her bike here was 20. So we got all kind of ages here. That's what I'm talking about, women power. Let's see. All right, ladies, let's pack this shit up. Good morning. Cause what?
It's the white people shit.
Tell the people hi, mama.
I'm looking like ran over dog shit.
Hey, join the club. What time did you get back in last night, ma'am?
3:30.
Holy shit. I'm not gonna close the bar down tonight.
I didn't either. It closed at 4.
Oh my gosh, well I'm so glad that you had a great time. This has been an awesome weekend. This has been an awesome weekend. Awesome weekend. These are our new friends, y'all. We made new friends while we were down here, okay? All right, y'all, we are now all ready. We're about to mount up and roll out. We got to mount up and roll
We
out.
rowdy. You must have messed up, pimpin'.
And I got my
You ready?
with me.
I am. Let's go. Put the pedal to the metal. Half mile to exit, bro.
Put the pedal to the metal.
Hit that left, fool.
Pee if you gotta pee.
Half mile to exit, bro.
Let's go.
Hit that left, fool. Half mile to exit, bro.
And he don't know how to be quiet.
Hit that left, fool.
Sorry. Don't be hearing you.
Half mile to exit, bro.
Hit that left.
Hit that
foot.
left, fool.
All right, y'all.
Half
Stay
mile to
tuned. We
exit,
on the
bro.
road. right, y'all. We are almost to Dallas. We is rolling these things. Rolling these things. Hey, only time we have to slow up is when we came across that 1% club, you know what I'm saying? And I'm like, I sure hope they exited soon because I'm ready to blow past they ass. But hey.
It was at the 1% club, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. So, anyways, been some good riding. We about halfway home.
Was that a 1% club you said?
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
I thought it was.
Halfway home, y'all. Yo, guess what? We had some people meet us. Let me show y'all who we got. Say what's up to the people. Good. Tell people hey. Got some other guys back there. They met us up in here at West. We got that motherfucker over there. He made it. Fire and Ice back together. I left him for the weekend.
We've been in Arkansas too. We just went to Little Rock. We was ahead of y'all. We just stopped here. We got to catch the fuck up.
Oh, is that what it is?
That's what happened.
That's what he said.
Went to go see Bullet. We went to Mount.
Pee if you gonna pee.